Hi guys, welcome to the Mac user group channel. Today I'm going to cover a topic that you guys have asked me to look into, which is, does Instagram on Mac, on Mac, work with the story mode? Can you create stories using Instagram on Mac? Initially, when I created the video showing how to install the Instagram app, the story mode was not working, but it turns out the story mode is currently working for me, so I hope it is working for you as well. But just to show you how it works, let me go through that process. So here is Instagram app on my on Mac, and I'm just going to go to my account, and this is my company account. Now you click on plus, click on stories, just like you would do on the phone, and then I'm able to access the camera. This is an external camera. I'm on a Mac Mini, so this is not the MacBook Pro built-in camera or anything. So that seems to work, which did not work before. And then you can create stories. I'm just going to create a simple story. Let's do a test story. So this is a demo story using M1 Mac Mini version of Instagram. So app. So this is all I'm going to do. So next, and send to my stories and share. Done. This is exactly how you do it. Now let's look at this on the phone. I'm going to open up the Instagram app on the phone. Stories. If I click on the stories, here it is. You can see the stories showing up. There are some limitations that I saw. For example, when I was using some of these special features like super zoom, and I know the video won't save, but the video, let's try one. So let's try a phone boot, I think, and this crazy stuff that people would do. For example, this is awful things that I'm never going to use, but let's say this one. So I create a story, click on the link, and so this is just some sort of effect that I would never use, and it's taking shots, and I think it's building this. And now let's go ahead and send it to, I could send it to story, so that worked. So some of the things, some of the filters, some of the things didn't work, but it seems to work for the most part, which is great news. If you are using Instagram app on Mac, on Macs, you can now pretty much do story and post. So that's what I wanted to share as an update. Hope you like it. If you like this video and if you like this channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.